In today's Behind the Scenes in 30 Seconds, I'm going to show you how to improve your time with your smartphone in just 5 minutes a day. Today we're talking about the drop click. If you've never heard of a drop click, it's simply a click that mutes itself while you're playing so that when it comes back in, you can see if you're in time. For me, this has been one of the most effective ways to work on your time because just in measures, you can see whether or not you've rushed or dragged within that beat. I like to use an app called Tempo, and I've got it pulled up here. So in coach mode, I have this set to mute 2 bars for every 2 bars that I play. When you first start with a drop click, start with a beat you're really comfortable with, and maybe even start without the click dropping out just to get really locked into the tempo. Also remember that most drummers have a tendency to rush when the drop click drops out. Just like most drummers, not all, but most drummers have a tendency to rush through drum fills until they train themselves out of that. I tell my students all the time, if you're the one counting a song off and your adrenaline's going, you're probably going to rush the beat the first few measures after the count off. So it's a good idea to play a little bit slower than you think you need to in that situation. And the same thing applies on the drop click when the click drops out.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Not bad. So if you like this video, if it helps, please hit the subscribe button and please comment below and hit the like button also. I'm going to be doing a lot more of these videos, tips, tricks, things that make drumming easier, faster, fun. So please subscribe and stay tuned. This is Jay Kaz out, and I'll see you soon.